show you our new safe here at Protect Safes. Proud to introduce the first and only full-size gun safe made completely out of stainless steel, except for the bolts. The bolts are hardened steel, hardened carbon, but got a brush finished on it. We got a custom stainless handle. We've got a Group 2 UL listed digital lock. This is our standard model, by the way. There is some features if you would rather have a biometric lock or a key lock. We may offer those. Check out our website for that. But this is a Lagarde UL listed Group 2 lock. And this safe, it's not only unique because it's stainless steel, also the interior and the shelf design, which is stainless steel and rotating. But let's have a look at it. Our safe door has 16 locking bolts, 4-way bolt system. It's heavy duty. We've got 1/4-inch plate stainless steel for the outside of the door, composited with another 2 inches of stainless angle. So it's top of the line. Our shelf design, which we put a lot of design work and a lot of thought into, it's a rotating on a bearing, rotating shelf. It's at 4 sections. Comes with 2 fixed shelves, 2 adjustable. If you've worked with stainless, if you drill a hole in it, you know how tough it is. We're proud of it, and we hope to hear some feedback from y'all. We will offer in the same dimensions, the same shelf system, and the same fireproof insulation, same bolt work, same lock, same handle. We'll offer that in a carbon steel model. So it'll be a little more affordable, but still the good design on the handle, the lock system,